Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on Ethereum Classic, and we're going to be going through this from a technical analysis perspective and also looking at some very important buying levels here for Ethereum Classic from a DCA perspective. And also we are going to be ending the video with three very strong bull market targets here for Ethereum Classic, the levels essentially that we can be looking out for here when alt season really does begin. If you could just drop a little like on the video, it would help us out tremendously in terms of growing the channel. I know it's absolutely free, but if you get any sort of value from this, that'd be amazing, guys, if you could do that for me. So just reviewing yesterday's position that we called out over on the Patreon for the members here. And if you wanted to go join the Patreon, guys, you can. There's a free membership where you can get a daily free update. And if you want to do the paid options as well, you can do that. Now, this update was a 1% move, guys. Unfortunately, we didn't get the breakout for the 1%. Hey-ho, is what it is. Can't get them all. Didn't lose anything because we didn't enter the trade because we didn't get the sort of the breakout scenario that we were looking for here. But it basically leaves us open for interpretation still, okay? And what that means, guys, is the breakout zone is still, and actually, if anything, becoming more profitable, all right? So this is going to be the short-term TA here for Ethereum Classic. You can see we do have a symmetrical triangle chart pattern at the top of this lovely, lovely uptrend, and that essentially means usually at the top of the uptrend, we see continuation. It's a bullish pennant chart pattern is what it's called, which is a symmetrical triangle chart pattern at the top of an uptrend, and this essentially means continuation and a breakout scenario here is on the cards. Now, this is where it gets quite interesting because we are currently testing the 21, the 55, and the 7 SMA here on the hourly in terms of MAs. If we can get above them, we could be starting another scenario like we have seen here. We're crossing above after seeing a bit of a pullback here, and then lovely, lovely bullish momentum coming through, right? So if that happens, we could see a really, really nice swing to the upside here for a lovely 1.88% trade here for Ethereum Classic. Super, super easy trade, I do believe here. And overall, I think it's looking good. I would like to see the stochastic on the Quantum Insight coming down a bit here. And also, I would like to see momentum sort of level out a bit here. We want to see a nice retracement to the upside for momentum, and then we want to see a downwards sub-anchor be formed. And when we get this sort of signal here, we know that it's basically a God mode signal, and we're going to explode. If we can time all of that perfectly with Ethereum Classic breaking out here, then it's an easy 1.88% on the cards for us to be nabbing there. That is the short term. Let's jump to the macro. And then after that, we're going to get deep down and dirty into basically some bull market predictions here for this asset to see how high this could potentially be going here. Super interesting stuff. So we're going to be starting off on the daily here, just to look at market structure and see how it is behaving. So I would say this is the bear market low for Ethereum Classic right now, and you can see that is going to be plotted in there. And it's very important to do this macro market structure because it's super important for the essential levels to be looking out for there. So that is going to be another point to be looking out for there, guys, in terms of a confirmed higher low. Next confirmed higher low probably would be around here, as you can see, wave to the upside, breaking this high, and seeing this come into fruition here, and that would be a nice lovely higher low being put in there, and then basically confirming it after breaking that high. And then you can see break that high again, significant pullback, break that high again, and that basically puts in a few more higher lows here, and these would be somewhat like this. Okay, now you can see from here, guys, we actually didn't break this high again after having a pullback. All right, so what this essentially means is, as long as we're above this $22.06 as our most recent confirmed higher low, as long as we're above there, then it's basically confirmation that we're in a lovely, lovely bull market, bull trend, upward sloping, all of that good stuff. Okay, one thing that we do need to be vigilant for is inverted head and shoulders, guys. That means we could have a sort of a micro pullback. Absolutely fine if that does happen. Usually that does mean continuation to the upside here. So overall, guys, just to summarize here on the macro, as long as we're above this area, $22, then I would be super bullish on Ethereum Classic right now. And obviously we've got Ethereum ETFs and all that good stuff coming through as well. So that's clearly going to help Ethereum Classic. So in terms of a DCA buying level here, before we get to some bull market predictions here, I would say probably this higher low is going to be your perfect sort of entry that you can just focus your DCAing around. You've got the inverted, you've got a very strong market structure just in general, and yeah, it's super good to be getting in around this area. So $21 is going to be the buy area for us, 21.8. And then now let's look at some bull market predictions here. So we're going to go for the all-time high on Ethereum Classic is currently $185. That is definitely going to be plotted in. Okay, we're definitely plotting that in as a bull market target, only naturally, as potentially the first one. We'll see how Fibonacci is looking here. I'm going to go to the swing low from the all-time high to the bear market swing low there, and you can see we're actually considerably below major Fibonacci levels just yet. Okay, so we do have a lot of room for growth here, and when I say a lot of room, I'm talking from our buy area all the way up to all-time high here. It's around an 8.5x on your investment, guys. So that's a pretty juicy amount here of momentum to the upside. So I mean, 8.5x is super nice for us to be getting involved with. So what we're going to be doing here is going to be splitting up these targets. We're going to be splitting up these targets. The end target I will be putting in as the Fibonacci extension will be the $983. This is the super cycle target. If we get that, unbelievable stuff. You can see how much money we would make. It would be at 4,000, so 43x on our investment there. I mean, I don't think that is very feasible, but hey ho, you never know. With these lower cap sort of altcoins, they can sort of explode here, especially with the Ethereum ETF coming through. So a more realistic target would be, I would say, the 0.618 as a number one here, and that would be $66.9. Love to see the number there, and probably would be using that as a high, probably around 78 actually, just working off this lovely area of resistance there. So that would be the first target. Second target, 185, and then third super cycle target probably would be, I mean, there will be a Fibonacci in here. So let's do that. It'd be a bit more realistic of around $418 as the target there. So those are the bull market targets. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Just before we end this video, guys, I want to talk to you about the Crypto Chester Patron membership here. As you can see, we offer multiple different memberships, and these range from $10 all the way up to $104 here. And this essentially gives you access to loads of different indicators that we use, loads of different strategies. You'll also get spot trading alerts, leverage trading alerts, and also if you're looking for a course to commit to trading and really aim for that financial freedom, you get a 100% discount here on all New Money Network educational courses, and that does include a crypto masterclass 6-week course. And on top of all of that, guys, if you did want to just sign up as a free member, you can do that too, and that will essentially give you one BTC trade per day for free, a completely free setup that we offer for free members. And then obviously on top of that, all the paid members will get 3 paid trade setups, as well as all the indicators and strategies that we are continuously posting over on the Telegram. Now over to the Discord for a second, guys, because there's so much stuff happening on there at the moment. The Discord itself here we actually post new projects, so alpha early insider info about new project launches and stuff like that, as you can see there. And if you did want to get involved with that, you can simply go to the link in the description and join. We also offer loads of live TA in there, and also trading alerts. And yeah, there's loads of different stuff in there, so make sure you go check it out, guys. Community chats, meme chats, weekly giveaways as well. If you are interested in committing to yourself and becoming a patron member, you can do that. Just follow the link in the description, and also the Discord link will be there for you to join as well. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Peace out from me, and I'll see you in the next one.